Namaste. My name is Radhika and I'm here to share my journey with Mahavatar Babaji. So I'll go back 6 years, almost 6 years back, and it was in December 2015 that I began my journey with Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement and meeting my hero, my living guru, Brahmarishi Subhash Patriji, who has been a beacon of light in my life and has got me connected with the most precious people that I've been working with even today. And there have been a guiding light, my bridge to that bridging that gap between me and my reality. So I will start foremost with Master Pallavi. She has been my first mentor, my back support, my elder sister, and whatnot. So it was because of her that I got to know my connection with Mahavatar Babaji back in 2019. So it was in the month of January that she took us on a beautiful journey with her, whereby she started working with Mahavatar Babaji long back, and she got into writing his book Conversations with Mahavatar Babaji right behind me, just to get the energies flowing. So she shared how she's been working with him and how he's connecting with her and telling her his life journey, and that she's creating a book about it, and that she's jotting everything down, and things are going to change. And I'm so thankful that she got that energy going for us, and she introduced us to Mahavatar Babaji truly, and it's been a beautiful journey ever since. Something very peculiar happened on the day that she took the session. So she shares his journey, where he goes to Mount Kailash with his only disciple who had walked up with him up till there. The last phase of his journey of transcending to some other world, perhaps. So that particular event had got me tongue-tied, and I was shocked because it was exactly the same thing I had seen in my dream a day before. I'm sitting there, my eyes wide open, tears flowing, and I don't know what to say. She just looked at me and she's like, "What do you want to share?" And I'm like, "This is exactly what I saw in my dream, and I don't know what to make out of it." And I'm just really speechless. She connects immediately with him, with Mahavatar Babaji, and she comes back to me and she's like, "Hey, you were that disciple. Your name was Sarha, and you've been connected with him very, very closely for so many lifetimes." And I had nothing to say. I'm just looking at her like a dumbfounded person, not knowing what more to say. And he's there telling me through her that I am his little champ, and I'm like, wow, if there exists love, this is what love feels like. Because at that point in moment, I was like, I'm not alone. I have this most beautiful master walking along with me, and I'm taken care of. There is nothing that can go wrong, and everything's going to be right from now. And truly, since I have awakened to my purpose, I have awakened to him, his energies. I have not been the same ever since, and I know I'm working every day, I'm progressing every day for the betterment of myself, and in whatever manner I can contribute to our beautiful society. So this also calls to tell me and share with you all something very exciting. Mad Buddha's team is organizing a beautiful global event, global celebration on Guru Purnima, that is 5th of July 2020, to celebrate Mahavatar Babaji and his journey, his legacy, and everything about him on that day. So if you want to be a part of this mega event, I request you all to please register and not miss this chance of being with him and the most beautiful masters who will be sharing their journey with him. And you can feel his energies up close that day, because he's going to be with us for sure. So I really request you all to be here with us, and I hope to see you all. Thank you for hearing me out.